Status quo.
Saw resident Wellborn Benut has decried the rampant overloading of trucks carrying limestone passing through the Umdod Way Bridge. Providing a video proof, he stated that the trucks plying through the Way Bridge carry more than 12 tons of limestone and have clearly dismissed the orders given by the DC of East Khasi Hills. He said that the root cause of deplorable road conditions in that region, predominantly the Majai Road that is 1.8 km before reaching Bangladesh, is due to the overloading.
Bridge ban pek ban wangi bagi dari ban penyakit tang khaton nama khaton kembali ke ba ni kham ngi penyakit khaton hendrai kedai ke ba dan tang siru sa kedai penyakit khaton laga thi phai ka salam ke ba ni ka sarkar ka jongi ka di salam tang khaton ndan khat lai ka sa ka san ndan pengumata Idan baitang kita khaatan tendang ila bis bahan kita benta iba kasurok ka 1.8 km ka bahap ban sna ban pen bahada ban maramat ka himasara kala ban ne lada ngila ban check bagi kali kimde banyan pala ya ka khaatan.
UDP leader and Nongpo